I'm just now realizing how stupid I look when I turn on the camera. Hi guys, what's up? I just got dressed kind of barely. Happy Tuesday, welcome to the vlog. What a weird intro. I'm going to Trader Joe's really quick. I don't know why today has just been so hard to like do things. Like, I don't know, I'm just having one of those days where it's like, come on, Kristee, like get going. Yeah, I look like an idiot as usual. I haven't worn hats since like summertime, but guys, look at this hat. Isn't this funny? If you're a YouTuber, then maybe you'll think it's funny. But this is the little symbol that it puts next to your videos when they're like, we don't think this is advertiser friendly, and it literally is every single time. Probably just so they don't have to pay you until you appeal it. It's just kind of a joke that Sierra got me this hat from a full screen party where they gave them out, and I just thought it was funny. So, and I'm wearing sunglasses because, you guys, it is sunny and 70 degrees out today. Does anyone remember the other day when it was snowing in my vlog? Because me neither. I'm not Trader Joe's. And I'm looking everywhere for the everything but the bagel seasoning, but I seem to be finding everything but the bagel seasoning. I don't know, I'm just kind of on a hunt now. Because you know how they like put random things? Like, I feel like it would be out like that. So we shall find out. I've heard good things about their turkey burgers, so maybe I'm gonna try these. I said this earlier, but it's like 70 degrees. It feels so nice. I'm like not even wearing a coat. I'm just wearing like a light blazer. Might regret it when I'm walking back in the dark, but like, whatever. And I'm wearing flats. Not even boots, so it just feels so nice. I'm a little late, it's windy, I'm gonna turn this off. Go into the metro. I was gonna say gym, no, bye, stats time. Time to go home. I'm home, it's 9:15 and I'm having the food I meal prepped. Veggies and chicken, the most exotic and unpredictable of meals. I cut chicken so aggressively, like, I don't know why, let me know. Sweet potato and squash. Broccoli, peppers, mushrooms. I'm also really thirsty usually when I get home, so I like try and see how much water I can chug before the microwave is done. I need to breathe. Like 2/3. Add coconut aminos. Yum. Now I'm gonna have this and watch YouTube videos and go to bed. Good morning, Baltimore. It's fun to sing that when you live here because Baltimore's like, I don't know, 30 minutes away. I've never been to Baltimore, but anyway, just thought I would just start my morning off right with some oatmeal and berries and watching Olivia Jade's vlog. I'm just living life. I'm excited. So I'm gonna eat this and then do a little bit of reading and go to the gym. Heck yeah. I just struggled so hard doing my cardio on the Stairmaster. I don't know why. I think it's like kind of humid in here because it's like 80 degrees today. And so my breathing was like, ugh. Now I'm gonna do some like glute activation. So let's do it.
Want anybody else but you. You say you can't live without me, so why aren't you dead yet? Why are you still breathing? You say you can't live without me. Can I sleep when you're out there with all my love? I become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware.
Look how sweaty I got. A really good workout. Hope you guys like that. It was like pretty much just glutes, legs, but yay, feeling great. Time to go home and shower. Look at that. Elbow pit sweat, really cute. So attractive. Get at me, boys. So we come to my vanity slash desk slash sit and chat area. My hair is a lion's mane because I just blow dried it without brushing it. So now we gon' work on it. I've shown how I do my hair before, when it's like slightly curly, wavy kind of thing that I pretty much do every day. When I wear curly, I use a straightener, which seems counterintuitive, but my whole life is counterintuitive, so. Oh, I wanted to talk about today when I went into the gym, because I knew I wanted to film my workout, and like usually when I do, I'm not intentionally like filming the entire workout and like being super diligent about it. Usually I'll just like bring my camera along, and then if it's opportune to film or there's a good spot, there's not people, then I'll film like a few of my exercises, not the whole thing. But today that was my whole workout. I planned out my workout on my phone and just made like a to-do list with each exercise that I wanted to do. Then the trainer that I work with at Composition ID made me a couple workouts a couple weeks back for me to try at the gym. And the first day when I had my planned workout, it like backfired on me because the gym when I went was packed. And so like nothing was available that I needed to use. And so today when I had a plan and when everything that I needed to use was available, I had such a good workout. And I think it just took out that like dilly-dally aspect that I feel like I have a lot. When I go to the gym, I don't usually plan the exercises I'm gonna do. A lot of people ask me. I usually have a general idea like what muscle group I want to focus on and a few exercises that I like that would work well for that. But I don't go in with a specific plan of this number of sets here, there, whatever. I'll stop or be on my phone and think, okay, like what do I want to do now? Like looking around at the machines and seeing what other people are not using and everything. Like, but today having it written down, like I'm gonna do this next, like I just went boom, boom, like punched it out and felt really good about it. I liked that a lot. So maybe I'll start doing that. So then this vlog is also gonna be, I'm gonna show you after I finish getting ready, I'm gonna make some lunch, and then I'm gonna show you like kind of what's in my fridge and my grocery staples. Because I get asked a lot like my favorite things to get grocery shopping, and I do show grocery hauls from time to time, but I feel like that doesn't really include the things that I already have or like use a lot, or you know, the staples that you don't buy every time. As you can see, I'm kind of not really talking through this, but if you've been catching on, what I do to curl my hair kind of with the straightener pointing down, I'll like straighten it first, and then halfway through I start turning the straightener away from my face and wrapping the hair around it on the other side, and then just slowly pulling it like angled down, and then it kind of curls it like this. And I like it because I don't like curls that are like all the way like tight. This is just more relaxed, I feel like, and natural looking when it falls a little bit. So okay, that's pretty much it. So that's how I do my hair. This is the Hot Tools, I don't know, 1-inch like ceramic thing for the nicer weather. This is actually a crop top, but I have it tucked in so you can't really tell, but it's just like this pink little kind of slightly mock neck top with elbow cutouts from Forever 21. I need to trim the threads on it. And then tucked into these like loose black businessy kind of pants from Urban. And I'm gonna wear nude flats probably. And I'll probably bring a jacket, not even to wear outside because I don't even need it, but to wear in the freaking building, because I don't know about you guys, but at every school I've been to, aka Chapman University and American University, I don't know why the buildings are so dang cold all the time. Like, is it like that at your school? Let me know. Is that just like a college thing that I need to come to terms with? Let's go make some lunch. What's in my fridge? So, here we go. This is my fridge. I share it with one roommate, Tyler. You guys know her if you watch my videos. So right now, I just went grocery shopping yesterday, so it's all pretty fresh. I have some gluten-free bread from Trader Joe's here and some strawberries. I have some lemons for lemon water, which is a staple because I always make lemon water in the morning. And then I stocked up at Target on packs of tuna. I love these for snacks. Chunk light tuna in water. This is my favorite one. So this is like kind of my side and kind of Tyler's side. We're not like super strict about it, but usually I have way more stuff in here than Tyler does. This is honestly the most food I've ever seen her have in our fridge. She usually just has eggs because that's what she lives on, a bunch of diet soda. Yeah, I'm honestly surprised that there's like fruits and vegetables in here. A thing of eggs. These are organic large brown eggs. And then here I generally just have like my meal prepped food that I make into different lunches, dinners, whatever. I think I showed you last night. Some veggies, broccoli, peppers, mushrooms, sweet potato and butternut squash. This is just a bunch of half chicken breast. And then down here at the bottom, I just have a bag of sweet potatoes from Trader Joe's because I literally eat sweet potato like every single day. I'm obsessed. And some avocados. These are the teeny tiny avocados from Trader Joe's also. And then in here, I have my favorite spring mix just for salads. So that's like what I keep in the main part of the fridge. In here, I have my probiotics. I keep half the lemon that I didn't use for my lemon water, fish oil. My staples are this light mayonnaise. I mix it with tuna. That's pretty much all I eat it with. This is my favorite ketchup. It's reduced sugar from Heinz. Honestly, it's not like organic or probably the best thing for you. I don't know, I guess I kind of just started using this like at the beginning of my fitness journey when I was really focused on calories, and it has like 5 calories per tablespoon compared to normal ketchup I think is 20. So I don't know, it's probably not the best thing for your health, but I just have had it like in a habit of using it. So my favorite buffalo sauce, I love putting this on buffalo chicken sweet potatoes or just like buffalo bowls or something. This is Frank's Red Hot Wings sauce, buffalo flavor. You never know when you're gonna need a kombucha. And this is the Coconut Aminos teriyaki sauce. I've been loving putting this in bowls and on chicken. It's really yummy. And the rest of the condiments down there I think are Tyler's. She goes through a lot of ketchup. It's so delicious. Organic coconut milk, unsweetened vanilla. This is the milk I always use in everything. Coffee, protein ice cream. How do you make milk things with milk? Smoothies. It's unsweetened, so there's less than 1 gram of sugar, and it tastes really good because it's vanilla, but I love it. In my freezer, I have some frozen half bananas for when I make smoothies. I have my favorite salmon burgers. These are the Trident Alaskan salmon burgers I get at Costco. More gluten-free bread that's in the freezer. This is Udi's. I kind of alternate. I don't have like one bread that I love more than all the others. This is like almost gone, but this is a Costco mixed berry blend for smoothies. Vodka. Freezer staples, health and wellness. I got these. I'm gonna actually make one of these for lunch, so I'll pull this out. Because I've never had these before, but Sierra eats them all the time. We actually have an inside joke from my house last year. Pink Floyd's the turkey burger, and none of you are gonna understand that. It's so weird to say it out loud, but they'll get it if they're watching this. Love you guys. I think that was a good little fridge tour, what I keep, my staples. Let me know if you guys might be interested in seeing the same thing for the pantry kind of stuff. What I'm gonna do is have one of these open-faced on a piece of gluten-free bread and make a little salad on the sides. It's gonna be my lunch. It doesn't look as appealing as I thought it would, but basically I have 2 pieces of gluten-free bread and I just split the turkey burger half and half, open-faced with ketchup. And I just made a little salad. It doesn't, yeah, it's not that big, but just with veggies on it. And yeah, I'm gonna have this for lunch, finish reading and go to class. What a life. Cheers. Getting the back of the train. Okay, I'm done with class now, and I'm just like waiting for the shuttle now. But there's like a bunch of police and everything's okay. But anyway, I'm gonna end my vlog here. It's very windy, but I can't wait to edit it for you guys. And I think it's a good one. We'll see. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you on Sunday because I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Okay, bye.